Hey you guys, it's your girl Simone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Simone, known as Naturally Simone here on YouTube. And if you are a returning family member, welcome back, gang. I miss you guys. Today, I am here with the third cash stuffing for the month of January. And before we jump into that, you guys already know I always gotta pin my plug in. Okay, so your girl sells press-on nails. My business is called Press and Apply. If you do want some press-on nails, check on my website. And if you do want a custom made set, especially like the holiday sets, V-Day, Christmas, birthday nails, or whatever the case may be, please hit me up on Instagram, Press and Applied, and we can make that happen. There will also be some changes coming to my website. P&A is expanded beyond just press on nails, you guys. I am excited to add budget related items to my website. So yeah, within the next few weeks, P&A is expanding, y'all. We are going to be also wrapping up the 5-10-20 challenge and my 1K 26-week saving challenge. So we are going to be cash stuffing $400 this week.
Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and show.
And boom, we're going to unstuff my wallet, take out any remaining bills that I may have, any change, receipts, and all that good stuff. You guys already know I deal with the Fed check, like I say every single week. Turn your receipts into points, your points into gift cards, and who doesn't love free money, free gift cards, and all that good stuff. So yeah, my information is on the screen and in the description box down below. This is actually going back to bank. I don't have much remaining bills. I have just a lot of singles. Yeah. Let me take out my coins real quick, y'all. Take out my little sequins pouch that I keep all my coins in for the whole month. And then we stuff Snow and Cocoa at the end of the month. Let's see how much is remaining and roll over for this week. 1, 2, 3, 4. $4, y'all. Shoot, if I didn't go food shopping last night, I would have had that remaining money as well. But since I pay with my card, that is an expense. So I do have to basically pay myself back with that. And boom. All right, so that was just really quick. So let's knock out P&A real quick because I am only stuffing 2 envelopes. We are going to Nail Tech License, and that is getting $10. Nail Tech License now have 50, 100, 50, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 55. $355. Supported Biz is not getting anything. And next is Upgradia. Upgradia is getting $10. And this is going towards Final Cut Pro, a new editing software that I want to use. Upgradia now has 100, 20, 30, 45. $145. Done with my P&A binder, y'all. So let's do the 100 envelope challenge. And this week the numbers are 30 and 10. So let's do that real quick. Since it's my smaller check, it's the lower numbers this week. And people hate how I fold these bills, but baby, I was not buying some more envelopes just to do the challenge, okay? That was not gonna happen. And let's do $30. We're gonna do a 20 and a 10. And boom, these 2 are done. Let's go into my purple binder now, y'all. That Killer is up next, and it is getting $100. That Killer now have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 5,000. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 20, 40. $5,740. So with taxes, I'm not adding anything to taxes in this video. I'm gonna do it in the next video or make it its own video because I did get paid yesterday from YouTube. Next up is Christmas, and Christmas is just going to get $5. Christmas now has 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. $88. Next up is Good Eats, and Good Eats is for my groceries, and I always do $50. I do 2 20s and a 10 for $50. Next up is Spoiled, and Spoiled is getting $10. Spoiled now have 20, 35. $35. Next up is Family, and Family is getting $5 as well. Family now have 50, 65, $65. Kind of speeding through this, y'all, because I have to finish cleaning, and so y'all gotta excuse me for moving too fast. Next up is Night Out, and Night Out is getting $5. Night Out now has 20, 45, 50, 51, 52, 50. $53. Bills is not getting anything because I am stuffing this bi-weekly for January, and then for February I will stuff it weekly. This envelope is going towards February's bills, so in February I will just go back to the weekly cash stuffing of this. So next week I'll add the remaining amount for February's bills. And we are all done with my purple binder, y'all. And before we jump into my clear binder, I want to ask you guys the question of the week. I'm just gonna keep it real simple, you guys. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? What is your sign? My birthday is November 28th. I am going to be turning 28 this year, my golden year. Like I said in the last video, 28 on the 28th. Yes, baby, yes. That makes me a Sagittarius. Comments down below, what is your sign and when is your birthday? Next up is the money challenge, and y'all, I am done with the 2 challenges. Yes, I'm so excited to finish up these challenges. I'm so freaking happy. The 1K 26-week saving challenge, this is going towards $500 is going towards my nail tech license. The other $500 is going towards vet bills, because baby, I owe myself like close to 1K in vet bills for my dog. So I'm trying to knock that out, pay myself back and all that good stuff. But right now, to end off the 1K 26-week saving challenge, y'all, we are adding $22. Yes, 1 and 2. So 1K challenge is done. The 5, 10, 20 challenge, we are adding $5. The reason why this is small is because I did use some of this challenge money towards my MacBook Air. So even though this challenge is 100% done now, it's not the full amount. It's been a long ride, and that's just that. So next up is health, and health is getting $10. Health now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $97 in health. And rollover is getting nothing, so let me cross this out right here. Next up is braces, and braces is getting $35. Ooh, chat, that was messy, but that's okay. Braces now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 15, 20, 25. $225. Next up is You Never Know, and You Never Know is my emergency fund. That is getting $10. Next up is Fur Babies, and they are getting $10. Fur Babies now have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7. $107. Next up is Hello Coffee. That is getting $20. Hello Coffee now have 50, 70, 90, 110, 11, 12. $112. We are all done with my binders, y'all. Let's move over to my wallet. Transit is getting $33. 1, 2, 3 for $33. And on this side, spending is getting 10, and miscellaneous is getting 10. And boom, moving over to my trackers. Right here is number 22, and we are 100% done with this 1K 26-week saving challenge, y'all. Moving over to my 100 envelope challenge, I did make my own template. We did number 10, so that's right here, and we did 30, and that's right here. All right, you guys, so that is all for today's video. And if you have enjoyed, be sure to leave your girl a big old thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button down below, and join the family. I would love to have you all here with me on my channel. You can find me on Instagram at BudgetwithSimone, my fitness Instagram curlygirl_gets fit. Check out my small business Instagram, Press and Apply, and the website pressandapply.com. And until next time, you guys, be well, be safe, and I catch you all in the next video. Bye bye.